Myth 1. Hypnosis is mind control. Truth: hypnosis cannot make anyone do anything against their will. During hypnosis, you remain fully aware and in control. The hypnotherapist acts as a guide, helping you tap into your subconscious mind, but you always have the power to accept or reject suggestions. Myth 2. You can get stuck in hypnosis. Truth: it's impossible to get stuck in hypnosis. Even if a hypnotherapist were to stop speaking mid-session, you would naturally return to full alertness on your own, usually within minutes. Myth 3. Hypnosis is sleep. Truth: while hypnosis may look like sleep to an observer, it's actually a state of heightened focus and awareness. Your mind is active, not asleep during a hypnotic trance. Myth 4. Only weak-minded people can be hypnotized. Truth: hypnosis requires focus and imagination, which makes it easier for intelligent, creative, or open-minded individuals to experience it. Being hypnotized has nothing to do with being weak. Myth 5. Hypnosis works like magic. Truth: hypnosis is not a magical or instant cure. It's a therapeutic process that can help create lasting changes when combined with commitment and effort from the client. Myth 6. You'll reveal your deepest secrets under hypnosis. Truth: you won't spill secrets unless you choose to. Hypnosis doesn't force you to speak, it only encourages relaxation and openness, which you control. Myth 7. Hypnosis is dangerous. Truth: hypnosis is a safe and natural state of mind when practiced by a trained professional. It's often used as a complementary therapy in medical, psychological, and wellness settings. Myth 8. Hypnosis is just for entertainment. Truth: while stage hypnosis is entertaining, therapeutic hypnosis has profound benefits, including managing anxiety, pain relief, breaking habits, and improving overall well-being. Myth 9. Hypnosis is unscientific. Truth: modern hypnosis is backed by scientific research and is recognized by major medical and psychological organizations as a legitimate therapeutic tool. Myth 10. You have to be in a deep trance for hypnosis to work. Truth: even light states of hypnosis can be effective. The depth of trance isn't as important as your willingness and openness to engage with the process. Myth 11. Hypnosis works for everyone. Truth: while many people benefit from hypnosis, some may find it challenging to engage in the process, particularly if they are highly resistant or skeptical. Myth 12. Hypnosis can make you forget things. Truth: hypnosis is not amnesia. While it can help you access subconscious memories or temporarily put aside worries, you won't forget your session unless specifically suggested, and even then it's not guaranteed. Myth 13. Hypnosis is New Age or mystical. Truth: hypnosis has been practiced for centuries and is rooted in science, psychology, and neuroscience. Modern hypnotherapy has evolved into a structured and evidence-based practice. Myth 14. You can self-hypnotize anywhere. Truth: self-hypnosis is a valuable skill, but it requires a quiet, distraction-free environment to work effectively. You can't self-hypnotize in the middle of chaos. Myth 15. Hypnosis is just relaxation. Truth: relaxation is often part of hypnosis, but hypnosis goes beyond relaxation to create a focused, suggestible state that can help address deeper issues or goals.